To use an Apple gift card on Genshin Impact, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have an Apple gift card and a valid Apple ID. Open the App Store on your device and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, scratch off the silver foil on the back of the gift card to reveal the gift card code. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Then tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. After redeeming the gift card, the amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. Now, open Genshin Impact on your device and go to the in-game store. Tap the Paimon icon, then select the Shop option. In the shop, select the Crystal Top-Up option. Then choose the top-up amount you want to purchase. You can use your Apple ID balance to pay for the crystals. Select the payment method as Apple ID balance and confirm the purchase. The crystals will be added to your in-game account, and you can use them to purchase in-game items or make other purchases. Remember to always check the Apple gift card terms and conditions before making a purchase. And ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any issues during the process. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to purchase in-game items on Genshin Impact. Make sure to keep your Apple ID and gift card information secure to avoid any unauthorized purchases.